Hey guys, daily vlog number 1 of my camping trip. I'll show you around. Got everything set up. Sorry about that camera movement. Just dropped my iPad for a split second there. Oh god. Oh, just dropped my brother's iPad. Vlogging troubles, eh? Okay, so I've got my tent here.
Sergeants!
That's my brother.
Sergeants! Do not subscribe. Do not like
It's alright.
and subscribe.
Just gonna cut that out. Okay.
Do not dare cut that.
So if you want to
That is a
see,
beautiful piece of work. Jacob, I don't think people want to be seeing your private stuff, Jacob. Come on.
Okay, that's just my swag. I'm not
This guy's an idiot.
not much around here, really. I mean, this is our clothes.
This guy's retarded.
This is our clothes in
See
here.
how retarded he is? Don't show us his.
Yeah, we're cooking some chicken tonight.
I'll
We've got
end
the
you.
barbecue
I will
tonight.
find you.
Sorry.
Jack.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Sorry about my thumb.
Run!
So
Run! I'll defend you. Dude.
I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do in a vlog, but so I'll see you guys
This is his first retarded vlog in this.
next video. Help me. Help.
You felt ordinarily lit in this throwdown house.
I know. It's really cool.
Yay!
So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's